specialize in charm and also going to develop many block. Okay, I show you Tanya V the helping.哦，Savia 这里是扣，它没有那个，你等一下看一下它包了没有前面的那个，如果没有的话，它是有一个16+7在这里，我还以为它包了。
我就交了16。
你等一下，我看一下它的扣。Do I take off the shipping? Yes. Already take off the shipping for you. 20 and total 37.5. You take $10 shipping, so it's 27. Yeah. Here. Heart in no in silver now. I'm going to search. Okay. So Tanya V here to show you this one. If you make the head pin, you fold it here and tight. Okay, tight, then put a very little small inside, about 1 millimeter inside it. Okay, then you're going to fold it. Oh, I didn't touch it. One millimeter, about 1 millimeter, about 1 millimeter. Okay, thank you. 他付了27.5，27，那就是他不用付退运费的，因为他这里一共是37啊。Dora. Okay, one way for thick wire and the thin wire is for the ball pin. One way is the same as here, and another way is by a needle, by a pin. Here. You can do it on a ball pin. 我看一下，这个好像有针。A harder needle, then you rub and cross. I see Savia should use this way, make a bracelet so beautiful with lapis. So it's come a ball pin. See, is it understand? Here. Wrap it to a cross at the end, so that it's when you pour the beads heavy, the ball pin, the head pin is not going to be loose. Okay. Sophia. Okay, so Sophia, you have 2 tickets here. The clasp. 2 tickets for that small clasp. So total will be 被我撕破了，4乘4。 Okay, so 16加7 97加7等于104。2 tickets. Okay, here. So your total is 104. 1044 here. You can check out tomorrow if you want. Yeah, 104. I'm not sure if you are still here. You said you want to sleep. July's. 看看 if you have a ticket or not. All here, your box. You can check what you got. You got the three piece each of this clasp. Yeah, three each of the clasp. Okay, three, and these two, and this clasp here, big one and the small one, and the chain. So total 148. 148. Okay, so when you check out, you come back to get the free gift. Okay. Then this one I'm going to continue make the necklace. We have a earring, so I'm continue for the necklace. 0.8 the wire gold. It's very clean and very beautiful. It's also good for even for some Valentina Day. 情人节，白色情人节 it means that the love is very clean. Okay, then I am going to attach this one on the chain necklace. 亲，情人节爱心 love chain， 那款很细的，全是爱心哦，在这里。细爱心链，我记得我后来补过一次25米的。I'm used the heart chain match with the heart charm. It's a thin heart. Thank you for your nice follow. This one, earring, the piece, I make it flat. You see, here the loop I make it flat, same level as the beads, because the hook is cross like this. And here, if a necklace, I want it to be flat like here, so I will make the hook this way. It's cross look. Then I attach it on the chain directly and not use a jump ring. Good. Touch. So no jumping here. Thank you. My live streaming is a slow live streaming, but not a rush to do something. We just step by step claim, step by step DIY, handmade. Hope people get relaxed here and can learn something here. Yeah. So here, this way. Here you don't need a jump ring to attach. If you want to use a jump ring to attach, you make it the same flat loop. 谁的？你分开了，等一下我不知道那是啥。
我就怕有个漏洞。
嗯。Okay. This heart chain, yes. 那个爱心的链上次补回来的在哪？我在这里看到的只有一点点。这只有这么一点点。上次我记得爱心的补过的。
我不记得了。
哦，上次补的是那个，是这个对。哦，那就没有了，只剩一点点。It's sold out. Yeah, I forgot to restock. You can. You waiting for 2 days. I'm going to restock. Thank you, July. Yeah, Sienna Blue. The item number you can remember. 1562. 156是156吗？哦，是的。1562 is the item number. You can get good for Valentine's Day. July, do you like this necklace or the lapis necklace? You can get one of them as the free gift. Yeah. Or if you love the heart set, I'm going to make a earring and a necklace set. If you like, you can get this. Yeah. Lapis. Okay. You're welcome. I'm happy you like it. Okay, thank you. Okay, Sophia, so you're okay, no problem. And the gift that you can get is the necklace here. And I'm going to make if you like, you can take. And if you want something else, you email to me because I only left the necklace, this one. Here. Okay, so take this necklace. You type 0. I packing for you. Thank you. That's way when Stella is figure out my total, she can add that. 对 ，Yes， 它这里还有一款 Sienna Blue 啊，它这样算你 total 算 total 吗？
他那款我加上去了，还有吗？我刚刚就看到一个帖子，怎么现在多那么多帖子？
好了，你一起算吧。Valentina's Day 有一个伪恋的。Good night, Sophia. Have a good dream. Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a good rest. 哦，几点？11点17了。Okay, so I finish here the necklace. Then our live streaming will be end. It seems people going to sleep. Yeah, I will go back for lunch. Is there a tutorial for heart shape? As I forgot to record. Do you mean this? This? Yeah, I'm going to make this one for a tutorial. I think this simple design will be many people love it. Yeah, I will make a tutorial for the set. It will be the people love it, I'm sure. You will find when I post a tutorial very simple design, it will be many people love it. Yeah, if complicated design will be not too many people love because they will feel it's hard to make. Yeah, so I will make the very simple this charm. Easy design always will be get a good feedback. Simple design. I feel this one if make for business for sale, it will be sales good because price will not